Miss Heidi here, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you a recipe for strawberry cheesecake bites. So for this recipe, you'll need strawberries, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 1/3 cup of sour cream, 2/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and optionally graham crackers to sprinkle on top. So let's get started. So first we're going to start by preparing our strawberries, and I like to cut my strawberries into these little heart shapes, and I can show you how. So with your parents' permission and supervision, carefully use a knife to cut your strawberry. I start by cutting a triangle shape up top, down on that side, and down on this side, and then take out that top part and hold your strawberry upwards and cut down the center, and now you have 2 hearts. And go ahead and cut the rest of your strawberries. After we have all our strawberries cut, we can leave this aside to save for later. And now we can start working on our cheesecake dip. So first we're going to start by adding 1 cup of heavy whipping cream into a medium-sized bowl. And take a whisk and whisk it up. After a few minutes of whisking, it starts to turn into this whipped cream texture. And you're ready to go. And we'll move this aside. And next, take a larger bowl. And we're going to add in our package of cream cheese. Add the full 8 ounces in your bowl. And next we're going to add 1/3 cup of sour cream. And 2/3 cup of sugar. There's 1. And 2. And now 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And mix that together. Here we go. And now we're going to take our heavy whipping cream and slowly fold that into our mixture. And there is our cheesecake spread. After you've made your cheesecake spread, you can go ahead and dip your strawberries straight into your cheesecake dip and enjoy it that way, or you can decorate your strawberries more. So I'm going to decorate my strawberries more and make my strawberry cheesecake bites, or my deviled strawberries. So I put some of my cheesecake spread into a Ziploc bag, or you can use a piping bag and use a piping tip. And you can also just use a spoon for this. Now I'm going to pipe on a little bit onto the top of my strawberry. And there's my strawberry cheesecake bite. And go ahead and decorate the rest. Here are my strawberry cheesecake bites. I have my strawberries with a little dollop of my cheesecake dip on top. And now I crushed up some graham crackers in a little bag, and I'm going to sprinkle this on top just to give it a little crunch. And there are my strawberry cheesecake bites. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye!